one of the characters from Up. There you go. So if you're a big Up fan, which I love that movie, you can get your picture taken with him. We were in line to get our picture taken with him. And then he's getting ready to leave, and then they're gonna bring out Doug the dog. So what we're headed to is to see Kevin. Kevin from the movie Up. Take a look at this. He doesn't go out too far because of how tall he is, but you definitely can get kind of close to him.
Gonna go or no?
Very cool. Eating Kevin.
Take a picture with him. Hold on. All together on this thing. You don't want to take a picture? We're gonna go back.